Hey everybody, this is Ionacus, and today I'm doing a review of Transformers Titans Return Misfire featuring Aimless. Misfire here is in nice lavender. We've got two guns and a nice detailing on them with the stickers, the white on the kneecaps, white on the wing fins and the legs, a little bit of red on the chest with the white Decepticon symbols. Popped off his head. Decepticon symbols on his shoulders. Nice looking figure. Remove the guns. He's got a combination of ball and pin joint in the shoulders, a mushroom joint here, pin joint right there. He's got nice waist articulation. Got a ball joint and a mushroom joint here in the upper leg, pin joint in the knee. No real foot articulation due to transformation, but it's a good figure. A lot of posability. And remove Aimless headmaster component, like so. I turn him into his bot mode. Oh, it's awesome. He can bring his arms up like this, and you can sit him down. He's got the lavender in his head, arms and lower legs. Upper legs are black. The chest is white. And you put some kind of sticker over that screw hole cover. Look at the head version. And he's a black helmet, the gray face, blue visor. Very nice looking. Now take the body, fold the hands in like that, and straighten out the arms and bring them out. Turn the wings, and grab the cockpit off the back and bring that forward. Now we're going to collapse in the feet and peg the legs together. And we're going to bring that part out and then re-extend the legs and bring them all the way up like that. They're supposed to peg in somehow. But I don't see it. And take the arms and bring them all the way back while rotating the wings forward a little bit. And I got these pegs right here. They just slot right into here. It's a little tricky. You gotta line them up just right. And straighten out and flatten out the wings when you're done. And there you go. You open up the cockpit and just put Aimless right in there. Just attach the guns to these little points right here. And there you go. There's jet mode. You got the silver on the front, another Autobot symbol right there. And other details that are part of the vehicle mode. You can see the orange and silver on the wings, which you weren't able to see them in the robot mode. It's a nice little jet. There's the same engineering used for him and Trigger Happy and Slug Slinger. And I think Twin Twist and Topspin too used a little bit of the legs. They're all the same for them. They're all really good figures. I did my reviews for Topspin and Twin Twist a while back. It's an all-around nice figure. Titan's Return, they were constantly really good figures. The Deluxes, the Voyagers. Even Broadside was all that great, and Alpha Trion. They weren't bad. They were decent. I don't think there was any of the Deluxes or Voyagers or Leader class figures. They're just all really good figures. And if you're lucky enough, you still get some Titans Return figures. They're out there. Go to your local alleys, they might have a few still floating around. I'm pretty sure you can find a few, maybe. But misfire here came one of the later waves, I believe. A little harder to find. Last couple waves were just not impossible to find, but they just sold very quickly. If you didn't grab them right then and there, chances are you weren't going to get them at all. So, no, I forgot. His guns. Should be able to combine. Yep. And then just put a Titan Master right there. A spare one. Here's him. And there you go. But if you can get him cheap, I say go for it. If you're a Transformer collector, definitely go for him. If you don't have him already, he's worth it. All of them are. Anyway, if you like Misfire and you like my review, give me a thumbs up down below. Whack that bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.